Please like, subscribe and turn on notifications.
Hello, welcome. My name is Alexander. Today I'm going to look at how to get a one-page site for free, and we are using Disha. First off, you have to register for an account. Go to pages.disha.ng. You can use either your IC account or your Google account. Sign up, then log in. Then you'll be directed to a dashboard like this. First off, let's edit our name and profile picture. Then you click on, if you want to edit your picture, click on the picture, then select an image or picture from your device. Next, you can add a short description about yourself by clicking on account. Then come down here. You can also change your page title, which is the name that will be displayed on your page, and also write a short description about yourself. Basically write what you do, what you're offering, and the rest of such things. Let me just write a YouTuber, because I own a YouTube channel where you're watching this video currently. Okay, make sure you click on save button. So let's look at our site now. See, it has reflected here a YouTuber and our name is right. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to edit these social media icons here. Click on it. Then on the free plan of Disha, which is one I'm using for this tutorial right now, you have only space for 5 social media handles you can use. So right now I added like 5: WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So you click on the drop down menu here, then you write in your phone number, select your country. So other one is on Instagram. Simply add your Instagram handle and you'll be good. On the one of YouTube, I simply copy the URL, which is the link to my YouTube channel, and paste it here. Same thing with LinkedIn, just copy the link and paste it here. That's I did it. Save it as well. Then you go back from there. Just click on the plus icon. Then we are going to add links, which is you click on this button and click on the drop down menu. So you start here by adding your text. Let's say you want to direct your visitors to your podcast. So you simply write listen to my podcast. Then you provide a link to your podcast. Okay. Then the other one, click on the other menu as well. Then let's say you want them to buy your book, or let me say register for your bootcamp. Sure. So we write register for bootcamp. So let me say register for SPB bootcamp. Then you put the link with the payment link. So it's okay. Then if you don't need the order button, you simply click on delete. Okay, then you save it. So that's how to add a link to our site. You don't only have add links, but you can also add clickable images. Click on the plus sign, then select images. Because you can see add heading like let me say you want to place your products, let me say your book in there. To click on the heading, add the title of the book. Let's say the art of book cover design. Okay, cool. Simply write a short description about the book. Let's say from beginner to expert in, let's say, 30 days. Okay, so yeah, you select the image you want to use. You click on it, and also you input your link, which is your payment link. So when your customer click on that link, the image itself, it simply tell them to where they can pay for your products or services. Okay, so yeah, that's how it look like. When they click on it, take them directly here. Okay, so click on the plus sign. What else I would do? I want to add how to embed a YouTube video. So click on YouTube. You can select the heading, like you write what the video about and the like. So let's say get a one-page site for free. Okay, you could write a short description. Okay, let's say get a one-page site for free using Disha. Okay, you could write a description about the video if you want. Then you input the YouTube video link. I already have it in my clipboard, so I could just paste it in here. So you click on save. So here's it, our YouTube video. Your visitors can simply watch it right here without leaving the site, and also it can also count for you about YouTube views and the like. So that's how to add a video. So you have to do is like let's say we add text, because the site isn't just about videos and images and link and the like. You could also add text to your website, the heading. Okay, so you can write a title. Let's say you can use the opportunity to like introduce yourself more to your customer and the like, or anything that comes to your mind. So let's say meet Alexander. Okay, yeah, you write a brief description about myself. Okay, so to save our time, let me just paste it in here. Okay, so you click on the save button. Let's see how it goes in our site. Okay, here's it. You represent it. Okay. Disha is a drag and drop web site builder, one-page site builder. So you can simply put this place and move your content up and down. So I'm moving it up to the front side. Okay, let me move it up here. I leave it now, it's down here. So you see meet Alexander comes up before the image of the book. Basically drag and drop to move it up or move it down. So here is a preview of our website look like. Let me click on it. Okay, this is how it look like. See how beautiful it is. Okay, so clicking on any of this link take you to the respective places. Like clicking on this image takes you to a payment place where you can pay for the book, the cost and the likes. Click on the video, start watching it directly here on the page. You click on register for sim payment space. After this, listen to podcast take you to Aqua FM where you can listen to all the podcasts. You see, so it's kind of next. We're going to add a carousel next. Click on the plus sign, select carousel. You can add an heading if you want. More products. Check this out. Okay, let me write that. Check this out. Okay, so drop down menu, then you select the image you want to use. Okay, you can add a caption. You can also add a link, so when they click on the image, directed to the link you provided. So let me add a link to my YouTube channel, so you could as well subscribe. Okay, so I can add up to 3 images in this slide. Okay, let me add another one. Okay, let me add this one. This for an Instagram post. Okay, let me add a third one. So this on one of my YouTube videos. Okay, very good. Simply add a link to it. You add the YouTube link to it, then you save it. So let's look how it looks like on the page. So yes, it's just slide it. Here's it. So this is how our carousel look like. Okay, remember to click on publish, so you will be saving your progress as you go. Awesome. So let's check out our page. Also, you can also change the background. Either you want to change to dark mode, or you can leave it like text. So this is the dark mode. So you see, this is beautiful. So use disha as a link in bio. Simply copy the link, simply copy it, then you head over to Instagram, go to your edit profile. In place of website, you input your disha link, then you submit to save. So disha link is now your link in bio. Clicking on it takes you to your disha page for people to know more about you, get your offers, and whatever you are offering at that. In the description, I'm going to drop some links of site people have created using disha. You could create an online portfolio using the site. So check that out, get creative, and build a website according to your plan and desire. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, liking this video, and share it to your friends and family. And also, please remember to turn on the notification bell so you could get notified when next we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.